And today what I have for you is a Holy Stone HS600 drone. That's right, this is a pretty budget-friendly drone. It's GPS, it has a 2-axis gimbal, you get super smooth footage from it, and the video quality is very nice as well, which has in the past been a problem for some of these Amazon drones, but this one is taking it to a next level. To start this video out, I'm going to show you the sample footage first, just a little clip I put together while I was on vacation in Destin, Florida. And then we're going to come back, I'm going to show you what you're going to get, and we're going to talk a little bit more about this drone. So let's go ahead and cut to the reel.
Watching the sunset on Tennessee hills. I wish I could capture it, I never will. 'Cause I'm not a painter, can't stay in the lines. Just sitting here sipping on dandelion wine.
As you can see, the video quality from this drone is quite amazing. It handled those very high speed winds on the beach, and I'm going to guess it was 15 constant, probably gusting up to 25, and this thing kept a very smooth image. I was very impressed with the handling of this drone, and I was even more surprised of the video quality that I actually got out of it. Alright, so this is the case that the HS600 comes in. It's a very nice case, quite a large case, but there's a good reason for that. There's quite a lot of stuff in here. It does have a shoulder strap, it does have mesh pockets, and it is also going to be water resistant. Now when we open this up, and all this stuff has already been opened, so it does have removable separators like this. I'm just going to go ahead and pull everything out that you get. Alright, and that's all of it right here. So the first thing that was quite surprising to me was the fact that you got not only one, not two, but you got 3 batteries with this drone. And you're going to get around 25 minutes of flight time on a calm day with 1 battery. So you're looking at quite a lot of flight time here. Now I didn't actually time it, that's just a guesstimate of mine, but I did get 19 minutes and 15 to 25 mile an hour winds. And I know that because I had the camera recording the entire time. And I wanted to open the other battery so you could see that yes, you do get 3 batteries. You are going to get a charge cord with each battery. So you will have 3 batteries and 3 cords, USB to USB-C to charge your batteries. So for every battery it does get a charge cord. And you do charge the batteries on the sides right there. You can see the little USB-C. You're going to get a full set of replacement propellers, and you're going to get a landing pad as well. How cool is that? You have an orange side with a blue H, And then you have a gray side with the orange H, and this thing just folds up nice and compact. You do have a manual, of course, and then you have the controller. We're going to look at this real fast. I like to keep these little foamies on these toggles here on your controls just to protect them. These controls do not feel cheap. They actually have some resistance to them, and they do feel of quality. They have the little grippers here so you can get your thumbs won't slip off the sticks. You flip up the phone holder just like this. It'll fit pretty much any size phone, and then your antennas are flip out, and then you can flip down your hand grips as well. You can power it on. This is what your display is going to look like. And it's beeping, of course, because it's looking for the drone. You do have a camera button, you do have a video button, and you have a zoom rocker right here, and this is for tilting your gimbal. And then you recharge your controller with the USB-C. And of course this all folds up back nice and compact. Now here's the drone itself. It does have this little lock on here. And one thing you may notice is these propellers are not the folding type. These are solid props. And when you're ready to fly, you just unfold it just like this. You flip out the front landing gear just like so. And then you take your battery and you install it in the top, and you're ready to go. Now if you look on the bottom, you can see where you have your landing cameras. You also have a card slot on the side right here for saving your footage. This is a little cover for your gimbal. You can see that it's 2-axis this way and this way. And it also does have electronic image stabilization. Now I know a lot of the bigger brand drones, they'll have a 3-axis gimbal, but as you can see from the footage, you could not tell that this was a 2-axis gimbal by any means. It did a very good job with the stabilization. The drone does have 4 brushless motors, and it just feels of quality. Now with this drone, of course, you do get features like return to home, follow me modes. You can fly GPS routes. All the features and programs that we have come used to, this can do it. Connecting it to your phone is very simple and very easy. And overall, I'm quite pleased with this drone. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.